Hello, Mr. Beeland here with your science lesson for today. We are talking about indicators for acids and bases. So an indicator is generally a very weak acid or base. And what happens is we add indicators into solutions in very small quantities, and they don't really affect the reaction at all. They're just present. And what happens with these indicators is that they actually change color depending on the acidity or depending on the pH of the solution that it's in. Okay, so a couple examples here. I've got a pH scale from 0 to 14. You could have something called litmus paper. And litmus paper, if it's dipped into a solution that is from 0 pH to 7 pH, so just a general acid, the litmus paper will show red or orangish red. And then if it's going from 7 to 14, it will show blue. And there's a whole bunch of different types of indicators. Some other examples would be methyl red, which can show from 0 to about 6 that it's red. And then from 6 and up, you're going to get an orange color. And again, there's going to be a small range where it might be a mixture between the two, so it might be hard to tell. And this is why we have so many indicators, because we want to be as accurate as possible, and we're going to just check each different one in case it's right in the middle or something. For another example, we have something called methyl violet. Methyl violet actually has 3 stages. Right at 0, between 0 and 1, it's a reddish orange color. And then it turns into a blue. And then from a blue, it turns into a violet. So again, depending on what you think this pH might be approximately, you will use the according indicator for it. Now, I'm not expecting you to memorize which colors are which and which litmus, does litmus paper go from here to here and there to there? No. What you're going to have to be able to do is use a chart of common indicators and be able to determine the pH off of those. I've put one into the slides so you can have a look at that. And again, you will just be putting those into different types of solutions, and then you would be able to determine the approximate pH of whatever it is that you are looking at. Okay, that's it on indicators. There is a fun activity that you get to do at home, and this is actually a homemade indicator, and it uses red cabbage, which is actually a natural indicator. The lab is in the files. Have a look at it there. You have a lot of time to work on it. That's it. Take care.